In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Amazon Listing. We'll go from opening Seller Central all the way to saving your changes. So by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to prepare. First, sign into Amazon Seller Central on your browser. On the top navigation bar, open the inventory menu and choose Add a Product. This page lets you list a totally new product or match to an existing one. For our purpose, select Create a New Listing. If you're managing multiple marketplaces, make sure you're on the correct marketplace before moving on. Next, fill in your product details. Complete all required fields such as category, product title, brand, and identifiers so the system will allow you to proceed. Accurate details here help search visibility and cut down on listing errors later. As you move through the tabs, keep an eye out for any validation messages and resolve them before you upload your media. Now, scroll down to the video section within the listing builder. Sections can be collapsed by default, so expand it if you don't see it immediately. This is where you'll attach the video content that customers will see on your product page. Click upload, have your files ready on your computer. Aim for clear visuals, steady framing, and clean audio. Keep the focus on the product's key benefits and how it's used. Follow Amazon's video guidelines for format, resolution, and file size so your upload processes smoothly. Give your file a descriptive name to track versions easily. Add your videos, starting with your main video. This is typically the hero clip that appears in your image carousel and should quickly show what the product is and why it matters. You can also add additional videos like a quick installation demo or a closer look at features. Short, informative clips usually perform best, and captions can help viewers who watch with the sound off. After the files are selected, let the progress bar finish so each upload completes fully. When everything looks good, click Save and Finish. Seller Central will process your listing and queue your videos for review. Processing and publishing can take a little time, so don't worry if the video doesn't appear instantly on the product page. Once approved, your video will appear in the image carousel or the media section on your product page. And that's it. You've added video to your Amazon listing using the built-in uploader. Thanks for watching and happy selling. And